Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on the 28th of September 2022 in Florida, the USA. Hurricane Ian, one of the most powerful storms ever to strike the US mainland, swept ashore in southwest Florida. It brought catastrophic 150 km/h winds and a storm surge of up to 18 feet. Residential areas and several other coastal cities were completely submerged, buildings were damaged, and trees and power lines brought down. Across the state, more than 800,000 customers were without electricity, which Florida governor said was a drop in the bucket compared to what was expected to come. Subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.